In this video, we are going to show you how to get a Shopify App Development API key. Now, of course, you need to be logged in. And once you are in your admin dashboard, you want to click on settings on the lower left-hand side, like so. Once you are in your settings page, you want to look towards your main menu here, and you want to click on apps, right? Before it was apps and sales channels in one option, but they have pretty much separated them. You want to click on apps, like so. And here, you're going to have two options here, somewhat on the center top portion, Develop Apps and Shopify App Store. You want to click on Develop Apps, and here, you want to click on Build Apps in Dev Dashboard. Now, I know this sounds very intimidating. Don't worry, because we're just going to get the Development API key. So what you want to do is click on this, and a new tab will appear. So here, what you want to do next is, it might be intimidating, because it is if you don't know what you're doing. You want to click on catalogs, and here you're going to get your default API key. All you need to do is click copy key, and there you go. You already have your development API key, your default one. So after that, you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.